wanted to ask you कि Alchemy का association कैसे है इस fashion show की?
Alchemy actually last 15 years we are doing this. Our graduating students, this is their show for graduating students, and immediately they get a job in the industry. And we have very talented students from all category, and really they are doing very well. And because of backing and blessing of Mr. Raheja family, so we are reached up to the sky.
आपको कितनी खुशी मिल रही है? आपको ये अवार्ड जो मिला है, सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा?
I just can't believe कि मेरे को ये अवार्ड मिलेगा. मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मुझसे भी बहुत अच्छे थे, बट मुझे अवार्ड मिला. जस्ट कैन बिलीव.
तो कैरियर में कितना हेल्प करेगा इस तरह का जो इंकरेजमेंट होता है?
आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा, और मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट था कि एक अवार्ड मुझे एटलीस्ट मिले मेरे लाइफ में. मेरे करियर की शुरुआत बहुत अच्छे से हो रही है.
आप एक स्टूडेंट्स लोग ने जो अवार्ड जीता, कितने डिजर्विंग है ये लोग और कितने टैलेंटेड है?
All the students are deserving.
Okay.
So there are talents and mostly all the students, because our faculty is very strong and get it done properly.
और किस तरह से बेहतर बनाएंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर करते हैं इस चीज़ को?
हमेशा every year there are different batches are showing their own talent, and that's good.
Thanks sir.
One minute. I would like to ask you whether this is your first
Rolling.
प्रयत्न करते पर नहीं हुआ. ही जिंकली.
anything is good. Okay, yeah.
Wanted to know what was the today event all about, and how did Alchemy, became a part of this event?
Alchemy 2015 is in its 14th year right now.
Yeah.
The tradition started way back in 2000. It's the annual graduating fashion show of LS Raheja Technical Institute, Worli. And the event is about celebrating fashion. The event is about celebrating the success of all those wonderful children like Namrata here, who have worked for 2 very long and hard years. And the good thing about Raheja is that there is no prerequisite for admission. Anybody who wants to educate themselves, who want to learn, are welcome here. And to take them on this journey of self-realization and to develop a passion for something that they have loved and they have liked and they have nurtured is something that we do as a team together. And it's been it's a very big family. Alicia has been a part of our family for a very long time.
Yes.
And I'm sure she would have something to say too.
14 years you said. This is my 10th year with Raheja, so you can see the long association. And since the time I started and now, every year I look forward to doing Raheja, because it's the topmost institute that educates to the core, from the finishing to the selvet. It's not just designing, it's knowledge, and knowledge that would help them to experience the fashion world in a better way. And that's what we get to see. And definitely Achla, who has been associated with Raheja for so many years also, her creativity, full justice to the creation. So every year we really look forward. It's like silent acting for us whenever we do Raheja Institute.
So how this kind of encouragement will help the students to move ahead in life?
Everybody is in today's time, everybody is aware about what fashion is. In terms of industry, it is growing. रोटी कपड़ा और मकान तो कभी स्टाइल से जाने वाला है नहीं. तो the job aspect of this particular profession is always going to be there. There is going to be a market for every single design that the students are going to make. And yes, it's a booming industry, and why not encourage them to do this?
And how will you move ahead as an institution? And what a bigger plan?
My first graduating show was in 2000. And ever since from then up till now, it's been a growth for me, not only professionally but personally as well. And this is the past and the present together today. I think we will make success the day she becomes a teacher and passes on her knowledge or contributes to the industry in any which way she can.
Thanks sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you find this new breed of
It's amazing to work for college shows, because
Yeah.
ready?
It's amazing to work for college shows because you get to see so much of raw talent that can be molded into making amazing designers. And every year when we do college shows, it excites us because every year we come up with something new, and the students put up something new on the table. And I think that is something which is amazing because it gives it gives a surprise to not just the models who wear the garments, but also the jury, who are established designers who have been in the industry for so long. When they see garments and cuts and designs that these students come up with, even they are amazed. And I think that is something which is wow. And I wish them all the very best. And it's always exciting to work with
new fashion can be taught as such, or you can learn by your experience or by seeing people?
Well, any kind of talent, obviously you need to have it inbuilt. But at the same time, with the expert opinions, with the training of experts who've been in a particular field for so many years, I think it can be bettered. And the talent which a person has, may be somewhere the student may or may not be able to take it out because of family pressures, peer pressure, or maybe they're just waiting for an opportunity to get that momentum, to get that push, to get that confidence to do their best. And I think that is what they give at an institute like this.